Alright, what's going on, guys? It's Mossy, aka Cybex Trades here, and today we're back with a trade recap, monthly trade recap to say the least. And yeah, let's go straight into it, keep this short and simple. So, basically, trading for the month of September recap and September, no, August. Sorry, September. Anyways, it just looks similar to August. But, anyways, yeah, so to sum it up, September overall was a good month, to be honest with you. It was a good month in terms of my trading, but it was just my um, psychology and really risk management that allowed it to turn red starting from the second half of the week, second half of the month, which was, starting from this line here from the 18th to basically the end of the month. And yeah, and the reason is, let's go ahead and just break it down. So for the September, I really just had only, I just had basically, what is it called? Not too many trades. I didn't trade every day, but I traded most of the days, and my risks were small. As you guys can see, first trade here, I traded, had some trade on Tesla, had to trade another one on Tesla again, and two nice trade on one nice trade on SPY puts, and this was another decent trade here on SPY, and then small green here and whatnot, and then this one right here was the one that really want to emphasize and hold myself accountable for, which is the 18th, which is the FOMC decision rate, which was the 50 basis point cut. And this is where I basically overtraded. And if we go and look at the details, I mean, the tags were the same here. This one was just like a random trade that was not a part of the plan. But mainly here, if we go ahead and look, this was basically the trade here. As you guys can see, that this whole day that really counted as of this month didn't follow my plan. FOMC here, over trading between this highly volatile after this decision rate reaction. And yeah, no confirmation, FOMO, not unplanned. So you see, as you guys can see, all the mistake tags that I made here is basically just mainly psychologically related. And I would say 90% psychology related, and also like 10% risk management. So yeah, I mean, it was this day that really kind of cooked me, cooked my September. Basically, gave back my gains from starting out from the beginning of this to the end of August, I think, right? Yeah, seems like it. And yeah, account is sitting at 2.2K. It went to 3K. I did a $500 withdrawal, brought it back down to 2.5, and then now it's sitting at 2.2. So a small $3,000 account. And yeah, so after this FOMC trade, following day I made a good, decent trades here on Tesla again. So mainly, I would say the bigger trades have been coming from Tesla. And the reason why is because if we go ahead and look at Tesla here, I'll pull up for you guys. Quick trading view chart here. Quick trading view chart here. Overall, just to really be quick at it, not really. Tesla has been consolidating and squeezing, and one of the reasons why I wanted to trade it was if we go ahead and look at the daily here, turn off VWAP, and just look at my levels here on the daily. Let me just get rid of this. As you guys can see, Tesla, during September, the beginning of the September, just overall had the price action that was within my system that was able to capitalize on good decent trades. And yeah, you guys can see at the end of this August, at the end of September, you're basically squeezed all the way to 260, and potentially a monthly break and close of all-time highs. And yeah, as you guys can see, that's basically why I came from that. And then the following trades really were just small red here, controlled loss, max loss, and max, small little red here as well. Another smaller little red, and max loss here. My max loss on this 3K account, or 2.5 or 2.2 at this point, is really $100. So that gives me about a couple of trades before I call it a max loss. Ideally, my trades I'm trying to really hit for a nice, 3 to 1 R risk to reward. Now, does the market give you that? No, but I'm adapting and I'm learning every day and showing up and just holding myself accountable, mainly really working on psychology and discipline, because it really just bleeds into your other areas of your life. Like for instance, I'm being consistent in the gym, which can bleed into your trading, and being consistent in following your plan, being consistent and not seeing like a what I've also noticed is like the chart can sometimes make me do impulsive decisions, like whether it's a FOMO chase or a entry chase or whatever. And yeah, I just have to hold myself accountable. But overall, this is basically my September. Didn't really end it on the best note. And yeah, we'll look forward to what August brings. But first day of October, this hasn't logged in yet. A nice little, didn't really, not the best trading in terms of my sizing and my entry, but 50 bucks green on this one, I guess, for this one. And yeah, that's pretty much it. Hope you guys had a good September, and Q4 is just starting. And yeah, I'll catch you guys at the end of another recap at the end of October and update you on that, guys. Have a good one.